Okay, so make a quick little video for Dwight Curley over at the Curley Express. He was asking about what was on the inside, and this is basically it here. So there's the inside, and then here's the inside of the caboose. And now there is not, as I was saying earlier, there is not a marker light right there. But if you choose to do so, add one. I just noticed it. There is little areas for it. So you got that option if you want to. How did I disassemble these? So let me grab this. As you can see, there is a small screw right behind the coupler pocket, and there's one on each side. Just take them off, and you get these little buggers right there. And then the shell just pulls right up. So it's an easy little fix. Had to take this one apart because the chair here was rattling around in this. So whenever you're reassembling it, let me double check. Yes, okay. So when you're reassembling this, you want to make sure that your 3 paneled windows correspond with the chairs. And all you do, just fit it right back on. And as you see, you're good to go. And then there's areas where the screws go back in, and you're ready to roll. So that's it for Dwight. Hope you enjoyed, bud. Let me know if you have any questions anymore. Until next time, guys. Catch you later.